Have you noticed a decrease in your stamina? Wondering why weight gain and fatigue is becoming the new norm? Maybe your sex drive isn't what it used to be. You may be suffering from a lack of testosterone, also known as low T. We understand the challenges of getting older, but also feeling older. Optimal Men's Center has the solutions. If you are looking to restore vitality and renew your life, come see us at Optimal Men's Center. We provide men an integrative healthcare approach to optimize their health by utilizing testosterone replacement, as well as peptide therapy and other treatments to correct hormonal imbalances. Visit our website at www.whatsmyt.com to take a brief quiz to find out if you are at risk for low testosterone. We are consistently the top-rated Google-reviewed men's clinic in the greater Phoenix metro area. We can help you improve your quality of life through services tailored specifically for you. Get your drive back at Optimal Men's Center.